Namaskaram. Good morning, my dear children. We had studied about weathering, the disintegration of rocks. The disintegration of rocks, different types of weathering, different factors that are caused for weathering. All these we had studied in our last class. And here we are going to study about the byproduct of weathering. We had studied in our last class, in the last part, that soils are formed as a result of weathering. Soil is formed as a result of weathering. Weathering is one of the factors that influence the formation of soil. Decomposition of organic matter is also another factor that influence the formation of soil. Weathering and the decomposition of organic matter are the two reasons for the formation of soil. Different factors that are influencing the formation of soil that we will study here in this chapter. A chart is given there in our textbook about the different factors that are influencing the formation of soil. You please see that chart. Which are the different factors that influencing the formation of soil? Climate, topography, plants and animals, parent rock, and the time. First one, climate, and then topography, the influence of plants and trees, plants and animals, and the parent rock, and the time. These are the different factors that are influencing the formation of soil. For the formation of 1 inch thickness of soil, it will take thousands of years. That means time that is influencing the formation of soil. It will take a time. In that way, time is a factor that is influencing the formation of soil. And how the climate influence? That means in different climates, in the hot climate and in the cold climate, the formation of soil that is varied. As a result of the high temperature, it will cause for weathering and soil is formed. Soil formation is very speedy in the regions like hot climate regions. That means when there is high temperature, the soil can be formed very easily. And what will be the situation in cold regions? In the cold climate regions, the soil formation is very slow. And the next factor that is influencing the formation of soil, that is plants and animals. We told about the plants and animals that are influencing weathering, biological weathering. In such a way, the plants and animals that will help the formation of soil to the decomposition of organic matter. In such a way, soil will be formed. Next one, it is the topography of a place and the parent rock. That are the two other factors that influence the formation of rocks. The topography means the nature of the land. It may be slope region, or it may be a hilly region, or in a plain region. According to each, that weathering will occur according to the topography of a place. That topography also influence the formation of rocks. And the next one, it is parent rock. We told that The soil is formed from rocks or stones. The parent rock. Different types of rocks that we had studied, like igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, etc. What type of rock it is? What type of rock is the parent rock? According to that, the soil will be formed. We know the igneous rocks that are very hard, then metamorphic rocks and the sedimentary rocks. So it will take so much time for the formation of a soil from the igneous rocks, but it will be very easy to form the soil from a sedimentary rock. According to the nature of parent rock, the soil is also varied. It is varied in different colors. We know the soil in different colors. We can see it. Red soil, black soil, white soil, different types of soils that we have seen. We can see the different types of soil around us. We had studied about different types of soil that are seen in India and in Kerala. A chart is given there, a table is given there in our textbook to fill. What are the different types of soil that are found in all over India, and what are the different soil, the type of soils found in Kerala. Can you fill that table? You please try for it. We know the importance of soil. Without soil, it is not possible to live. Plants are grown in soil. Human beings are living in soil. In different ways, we are depending soil. All these things that we know. Can you prepare a chart? What are the uses of soil for the living beings? The uses of soil for the human beings? You please prepare a chart that showing how the soil is helpful for the human beings. You please do that. In all this way, soil is very important for man. Not mere for man, for all living beings. Soil is very important for the existence of plants and trees, for the existence of different types of small creatures, for the existence of animals, and for the existence of all living beings. Soil is very important. So, it is very important to protect the soil. It is very important to protect the soil. But what man is doing? The dumping of waste like chemical waste in the soil that will kill the soil, that will change the content of the soil, that will change the minerals that are contained in the soil. These minerals are very helpful for the growth of plants. That is helpful for the growth of other animals and human beings, for the existence of all the living beings. The soil is very important. But we are killing the soil. Human beings are killing the soil. We may have seen the use of pesticides, use of chemical fertilizers in large scale that will change the natural content in the soil. It will kill the soil. And felling of trees and deforestation, all this also will affect adversely what we are seeing around us. We can see the dumping of plastic waste in the soil. How it will affect the soil? Have you thought about it? Different types of waste materials, chemicals are dumping in the soil. It will change the nature and content and minerals in the soil that are helpful for the minerals, that are helpful for the growth of plants. Have you seen the pictures that are given there in our textbook? That are showing the human actions that are adversely affecting the existence of soil. Some other reasons are also given there in our textbook but as points that are different human actions that are adversely affecting the existence of soil. You please see that points. Don't we want to protect the soil? The protection of soil, the protection of topsoil, that is very important for the existence of living beings, for the existence of plants and trees, for the existence of forests, for the existence of our planet Earth. The protection of soil, the protection of topsoil, that is very important. That's why UNO, United Nations Organization, is observing 15th December as International Soil Day. 15th December is observed as World Soil Day, International Soil Day. And 2015 was observed as International Soil Year by UNO. From all these, we can understand the importance of protection of soil. How the world organizations and world countries are interested in the protection of soil. Several measures are taken by them. Can we protect the soil that are around us? What we can do, what human beings can do around us for the protection of soil? How it is possible to prevent soil erosion, topsoil erosion? And how it is possible to protect the soil without dumping waste? Different measures that we can take that are given there in our textbook. You please see that, and as a homework, you please prepare a chart showing the different measures for the protection of soil. You please do that work. You please also prepare a poster showing the importance of protection of soil. And we are going to wind up the class for today. We can see with another topic in our next class. Namaskaram.